Hi guys, it's Danielle forever and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, your girl got some inches in today. Like new hair, who is this? But I haven't worn a wig in forever. Like I've been wearing my natural hair for a minute, but I decided to put my wigs back on, and I just wanted to review this website that I get my wigs from called WOWAFRICAN〡Wig. I always use them. I've been using them for like 4 to 5 years now. I absolutely love their wigs, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do to kind of customize my wigs before I wear them, like what I do to zhuzh it up a little bit before I wear them. I never really wear them like straight out the package or anything, and I'm just gonna put this out there. I am by no means a hairstylist. I'm not an expert. I do what's best for me, so don't be coming for me in the comments. But if you want to see how I get my wigs to look this, just stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. And we're just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, the wig came in this nice sleek black box that has the Wow African logo on it. As we open it, I had a few cards in there. I purchased the wig around Christmas, so they sent me a Christmas card, as well as this nice pamphlet to help you take care of the hair, like tips and tricks. And then the wig is placed in the satin drawstring bag, which is really helpful. And last but not least, a wig cap. I absolutely love that they send you the wig in the satin bag because it's really helpful for like storing it away when you're not wearing it, or if you want to travel with the wig. Perfect. And inside that satin bag, it was in a plastic bag, which the hair is actually placed in a hairnet, as you can see there. And I'm just going to give you guys an up-close personal look on the texture, the details of the wig straight out of the packaging. I actually got this lace, I think it's light brown lace, and then the wig has these standard 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. And Wow African started doing this new thing where they sew in the adjustable elastic band, like so helpful. Yes, this is the reason why I won't have to glue this wig, because of that band. So now I'm just going to get into how I bleach my knots. I have the wig inside out placed on a mannequin head, and to secure it on there while I'm bleaching the knots, I'm going to use some T-pins. And then I'm going to have a mixing bowl along with a mixing brush and a spoon just to mix everything together. 2 bleach packets. You don't really need this much, but that's just what I had. A 30 developer. And then I have my purple shampoo just to make sure that the knots are not brassy. They're just toned down. And then as well as some shampoo to shampoo the lace after I bleach the knots. So the key is to get a really thick consistency when it comes to bleaching the knots. So I normally focus on putting more powder than developer because that's how you get that thick custard-like consistency. I'm not really sure how much developer to put in the mixture. I just kind of do this process of pouring some, mixing, pouring some, mixing until I get that thick custard-like consistency. As you can see, I'm making a mess, so we're just going to go through these clips until that mixture kind of thickens up a little bit. Yes, she is thick, she is smooth, she is custard-like. This was the consistency that I was satisfied with, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting that mixture onto the lace. I'm actually using a spoon instead of that hair dye brush that I have, just because, I don't know, it's kind of easier for me. You can kind of use whatever. I know some people use a plastic knife, a plastic spoon, the hair dye brush. Just do what works best for you. So after I spread the bleach mixture on the lace, I'm going to leave that on there for about 30 to 45 minutes. You really just have to keep an eye on it because sometimes it will bleach faster than you think. And then after, you go ahead and shampoo all that bleach out. Make sure you thoroughly rinse it out.
and just use a normal shampoo to kind of make sure all the bleach is out before you use the purple shampoo. So now I'm going to go in with that purple shampoo. I'm going to pour a generous amount on the lace to make sure she gets nice and lathered up. So next I'm going to have that silver shampoo soak into the lace for a little bit just to make sure the knots aren't brassy. So I'm going to leave it on there for a good 20 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. And here is the final product of how the bleached knots look. And for my final step, I'm just going to go ahead and dye the hair a nice brown cinnamon color.
So this is how the wig came out after all my customizing. I did not really do much. I never really do much with my wigs. I just want the lace to look good, it to lay flat on my head, and the color to be nice, natural. I'm not really crazy with my colors, but right off the back, as you can see from what I told you guys, the box color that I used, the brown, it did not completely come out, and that was kind of my fault because I did not leave it on there long enough. I was really rushing trying to get this wig done to wear it, so I did not leave the box dye on long enough to actually completely dye it. It has little brown streaks in it in the sunlight, but I doubt that you can see it on camera. But that is one thing that you probably noticed, like, girl, you did not dye that wig. Like, it looks like how you unpackaged it. Yes, I know. But for when it gets warmer and it's spring and it's summer and I'm deciding to wear this, I'll probably dye it and try to do something fun. I have no idea, but I'll try to do something fun. I'm just so basic with my hair colors that this is fine all year round. Yes, I can do this. But let me tell you guys the exact name of the wig. This wig is the 360 Frontal Wig 180% density Yaki straight Brazilian version hair. I got it in 18 inches. Let's see if I can show you guys. So it goes past my, maybe 2 inches past my boobies. But it's a good length. It's not too long for me, not too short. Like, as you can see, it's still a good length with it curled. It's a little bit longer with it straight. I got the natural color wig cap, light brown lace, bleach the knots, which I'll show you guys. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I can't really see anything. But that is the lace. Like I said, I'm not an expert on my wigs, so I'm not I don't really pluck my hairline or anything. I just put it on and gel my edges down and go. And then the knots came bleached 2 inches. I never really noticed that myself. I always just bleach my knots for my liking. And then, like I showed you guys in the clip, it came with that extra elastic band, which I absolutely love, which is why I don't have to glue it or anything. I literally, this is not glued. There's no glue on this. I put it on, put the elastic band on, and I use the little adjustable straps in the back. And that's, I literally can just go, this thing is secure. It's so good. But I'm trying to think, do I have anything else about this wig? As usual, people always want to know if wigs shed. Yes, wigs shed. I feel like every wig sheds. I don't know what goes through people's heads, but I just feel like wigs are gonna shed. Your natural hair is gonna shed. Your hair that grows out of your scalp, it's going to shed. So why wouldn't a man-made wig shed? I don't know, but yeah, I don't have a problem with shedding. It doesn't shed an excessive amount, but you know, hairs will come out if you're combing it or brushing it or styling it. You will get some hair falling out. As far as the knotting in the back, it does not knot in the back badly. I will say it did knot in the back on me at one time, but I had a jacket with a really big collar and it was kind of on the hair, so I will feel like that is why it knotted in the back. But other than that, it hasn't knotted in the back area for me. But yeah, that is all I have to say about this wig. I love it. I will definitely keep shopping with WOWAFRICAN. WOWAFRICAN, please sponsor me because I love you guys. But yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this wig website. I really don't. I absolutely love them. I highly recommend them. Oh yeah, let's get into the price. I know some people are like, girl, what you doing? You didn't tell us the price. So the wig with everything that I got, the inches, the extra elastic band, which I don't know if that was extra, but everything subtotal was $286. And then if you continue to shop with Wow African, you will get rewards points. So I had accumulated 2,300 reward points, and so that was $20 off basically. And then they were having a sale for Black Friday, I think it was 20% off, and so it brought the wig down to $199.86, which is not bad. Basically $200 for this wig. I'm not mad at the price. This wig will last me for a whole year and then some, so I definitely think it's worth it. Really good quality, and it's literally the texture as my natural hair, which I love, and I've been dying to get a wig with just the nice light Yaki texture, straight Yaki texture, really dense, not too thick, not too, it's just perfect for me. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.